So today we are going to learn about the third group of rocks. The first group was igneous rocks that were formed from volcanoes. The second was sedimentary rocks that were formed by layers of rocks. This one is called metamorphic rocks. So I want you to think back about our animal life cycle unit, and we learned about the word metamorphic. Metamorphic. That means I want you to think about the frog in the frog life cycle. What happened to it? So humans don't go through metamorphosis, but frogs did. It means they change over time. So metamorphic rocks change over time. The word metamorphic comes from the Greek word morph, which means change, and ic, which means change forms. So metamorphic means it changes forms. Once upon a time, metamorphic rocks were sedimentary rocks or igneous rocks. So every metamorphic rock started out as an igneous rock or sedimentary rock. Then came along heat and pressure, and they changed the rock. So we had a sedimentary rock that was limestone, and you add heat, which is fire or sun, and you add pressure, which is like not necessarily stepping, but the pressure of all the layers. And the rock becomes metamorphic. It turns into marble. So I want you to look at this. Sedimentary rocks, which is a limestone. If you add heat and pressure to it over a long period of time, it becomes marble. Some examples of metamorphic rocks are slate. This one is very common. You can see it around Edmonton. Slate has kind of like little layers. It's hard to see in this picture, but if you look at slate, there's lots of little layers to it. So you can actually peel off the layers of it. It's commonly used in Edmonton and around the world for roofing or flooring. Marble, this one's beautiful. It's formed from limestone or dolomite, and it's commonly used in architecture, so building things, or art. Sometimes you see beautiful art outside, and it is made from marble. Mica schist. So mica, remember we learned in igneous rocks, in granite was the black part of the igneous rock. This is mica schist. You can kind of tell right here that obviously, look at these lines. Those are the layers in a sedimentary rock. So it's actually, you can tell that it's a sedimentary rock because you can see the layers. So it's formed by severe metamorphic changes on sedimentary rock. It is composed of mica and quartz.